Hi friends, it's Coach Vita. Today I'm going to talk about our weekly technique, which is setting up our spaces for success in terms of good food choices and daily activity and exercises. It's a well-known fact that what we see is basically it influences how we make our choices, and the easier it is, the more likely we are to make that good choice. So what we want to do is make it really easy for ourselves. I always coach out of sight, out of mind. So make sure that you do a whole clean out. You know, we got through the holidays. We want to get rid of all those temptations. Out of sight, out of mind, and stock up on the good stuff. I try to keep the whole non-perishable fruits right on the counter so that everyone can see it, and the bananas and the apples and the oranges are always out. When you first open our refrigerator, you'll most likely see all the little baby carrots, snap peas, and berries washed, ready to go and grab and go. And I always make at least a dozen hard-boiled eggs. I peel them and I have those also ready to go. So we want to prepare, have it visually ready. I also have a cupboard that has low point snacks like raw almonds, some low point protein bars, and the PB2 powder and the things that I need sometimes for a quick snack. So definitely have those available. I work from home, so for me, this all happens in my kitchen at home. If you are working in an office, you'll want to be careful to do the same thing with your work dress drawer. When I worked in an office, I used to stock my work drawer. You'll want to do the same thing with your little work mini fridge if you have one. Put your flavored waters, your LaCroix, or your regular bottled water near you at all times. And then when it comes to activity, whatever works for you, I want to hear in the comments what helps you. For me, a lot of times I do morning workouts in dance class, and I will just wear my workout clothes first thing. That's the first thing I put on. So if I'm wearing my workout clothes, I'm more apt to do the workout. A lot of people I know like to put the shoes on. If it's for walking, go ahead and strap your tennies on. Other tips might be to have a log where you get to check off that you did it that day. So I want to hear how you're setting up your spaces and your environments for success. I just shared with you a few things that I do, and let's all try to make our spaces as easy and visually appealing and positive towards reaching our goals as we can. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, bye.